In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, hit Done and wait. As you can see, all of my contacts were successfully added. To delete them, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Delete. Select all of those that you wish to delete by clicking on the chosen ones, or get rid of all of them at once by clicking on the top left corner. Then hit Remove and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!